I don't know what to say about that.
On the back end.
I mean, he was just driving through me whether
Probably slowing
I
you.
was there or not, wasn't he, I guess? So, we're giving the new BMW another go today. I want to get away without jumping the start like I did the other time.
Green flag, green flag.
Okay. Just mash the throttle in first. That seems to be the solution. You can see from the qualifying times before we started, it's very close.
Clear.
Oschersleben, nice track. Enjoy it round here. Got to be a bit careful. Old tyres and all that.
Right side.
Oh, I didn't get as good a run as that guy, did I, there?
Still there, hold your line.
I don't think he's got anywhere to go.
Clear on the right. Slow car ahead. Car right. Still there, hold your line.
Okay, we have to try and go up the inside of this guy, won't we, I think?
Keep to the left. Clear.
Apologies for hitting him. Just where the car wanted to go, I think. Let's see if we can get after these guys. Still not quite sure of the gearing. I mean, I must be relatively close because we were quite close in qualifying. But I'm not 100% sure. Must be nice to get on the back of them, wouldn't it? Went around here earlier today in... I can't remember what it was. What was I in? GT3, was it? No, Porsche Cup. Went around here in a Porsche Cup.
4, 5, 7. You're
So I know the track today. It's recent. So I'm dialed in on the track. I'm just not dialed in on this car yet.
There's an infinite
Tied you this round. Oh, he nearly went, didn't he? Haven't quite got this right yet. Where I need to brake or where the grip is. Keep the tyres off the grass. Use all the track, but not the grass. That's the plan. Okay, so we're catching Bruno a little bit, I think. Just keeping it tidy. Probably go through that second bit a bit quicker, I think. Out there, okay. So we're getting away from what? Piotra? I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but anyway, we're getting away from them, wherever they are.
0, 5.
Yellow car's gone wide. Definitely on them, so the lead is getting away. I don't think we're going to catch the leader. We might catch these two. Might be able to get by. It's a short race. It's still week 13. They do some funny events. Get people used to the new cars or tracks when they introduce them. I've gone back to iOverlay as well, which is a lot better, I think, than the built-in iRacing one. Gives me more information that I think I need or would like. Anyway. So we're not as quick through that bit, are we? Oh, I've got the fastest lap so far. That's good. Surprised at that. Okay, don't go too wide. That off track, was it?
Five minutes to go.
Okay. So had a couple of off tracks then.
39.487. That was your fastest lap of the session. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 39.40.
So we weren't far off that, were we? We just had the off track. See if we can better it again. I noticed you can't change the brake balance on these cars. Not in fixed setup anyway. I don't know if they can change in open setup. Maybe we'll find that out. And someone did say they have more power in other races. This is like a rookie race and it's got less power. But no one else sort of came on the comments and confirmed that. So, and I can't see where it's written anywhere, but if you know, then do confirm that. That'd be great. So I guess with a bit more power, it's going to be a bit more difficult to drive, isn't it? But at the moment, it's a really nice car to drive. Really enjoying it. And I hated the old one. So we are going a bit quicker than we did on our previous best lap. No off track this time, which is good. It's only a little bit quicker, isn't it?
39.
Yeah, the leader's just getting away, I think.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 39.381.
I don't see where we're going to get by. Mosselsleben is quite hard to overtake, I find. There's not many opportunities. But I don't see where we're quicker. Just don't see where we're quicker here. Good exit there. Not a bad exit there. Didn't go on the grass anyway. We're all going quicker, I think, aren't we? So even though I'm going quicker, it's not really helping me. Because everyone's going quicker.
That means one more lap to go.
Well, it's going to be our best lap, but we're still no closer to getting by, are we? Where do we go by?
39.344. You just set your fastest lap of the session. The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 39.2.
That's why we're not getting by. He's just set the fastest lap. That's my only chance is if they go for it, isn't it, really? The way it's looking like. He's left the door open a little bit there, hasn't he? Not enough, though. Yeah, I followed him wide that time. We've got a nice run here, but I just don't think we got enough, have we? Yellow car's gone wide though. Can we do a cut back? He's trying, isn't he? He's going to go for it. Oh, there we go. Where is he? We'll do a cut back then.
Car on your left.
Well, that didn't work. Well, I'm pleased. The yellow car kept his place. The green car overcooked it, and we'll take that third podium. Okay, right. We'll do another one, shall we? I'll see you on the grid. And we're back, and we're near the front, so that's quite good. Quite happy with that. Let's see if we can get away cleanly.
Green flag, green flag.
Not bad. I guess we're not going to jump the leader. So let's just try and keep hold of second place if we can.
The next car's the leader.
It was very close in qualifying. Leader had like a 10th and a half, maybe 2 tenths more than we had. Okay. He seems keen, doesn't he?
Let's make sure
I mean-
we rejoin safely. Car approaching.
I mean,
Clear, clear. You've got wheel damage. Looks like one of your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have less grip out there. Left side. You're on the left. We got damage on the front.
I don't know what to say about
Damage
that.
on the back end.
I mean, he was just driving through me whether
Probably slowing you.
I was there or not, wasn't he, I guess? I held my brakes after crashing. Probably not the best thing to do, really, because everyone then just barred into me, but that's what they always say, isn't it? Hold your brakes. Well, I think we'll go in the pits. We'll have a look at the replay, but he really wasn't... I don't think he cared if I was there or not.
They say you cut the course. You'll have to slow down and give up the time gain.
He was just going. Yeah, that's pretty bad, I think. Pretty bad. Oh well, there is a fast repair, so at least we got that. And in real life, imagine people drove like that in real life. I'm sure he's proud of himself though. If that's how he gets his results, fair enough. Oh, I like to drive though. Yeah, we're going to be miles back then. We're not going to get anywhere near him, are we? Unless somebody goes off.
5, 3, 2, 1. Right here. Okay, punch it.
Okay. I'll call you back if we get anywhere. Okay, well, it's the last lap of the race. My TV's just told me it's going to turn itself off. So I have to fix that. I had a decent lap. 39.3 is my best. Could have been better. Not caught anyone. No one else has gone off, really. So we'll have a look at the replay when we finish. Just see how dirty that driver was at the start. I was certainly not impressed with that. Anyway. Eased off now. Don't think I'm going to catch anyone. I am liking this car though. Seems like I can't have 2 good races in a row though. But anyway. Stuff happens, doesn't it? Just disappointing with a good grid position to be taken out like that, but
P7. Just set the fastest
some people just like to win it on the first corner, don't they?
2, 6.
First lap. Never really understood that, but Okay, well, let's have a look at that incident. Okay, it's a start then. So, I mean, it sort of pretty much started just before the first corner, didn't it? So, obviously, I'm coming across that slipstream. He's, well, I'm not giving him any room, and he's just touching me there, which is fine. He's looking to the inside, but there's no room there. So, he's being okay at the moment. And then it's, I guess, I'm not going at the pace he wants. So, he hits me there, which is very helpful. And I think, okay, well, I've got to defend the inside. So he's just swooping around, and I go to the inside, and he hits me again, and just pushes me off. I mean, it's like the second corner of the race. I held my brakes, so I didn't roll into people, and then obviously that guy got stuck behind me. Yeah, not the best, is it, really? Not very happy with that. Oh well, never mind. Let's have a look at the results. So that race, yeah, big drop in safety rating, big drop in I rating. Very disappointing. Best lap of the race, 39 flat. That's pretty quick. That's the guy that wanted to win it on the first lap. He came second, so good for him. And I'm all the way down here in 12th. So 39.3. So, yeah, not too bad. Quite happy with that. A bit of a turnaround from the first race, wasn't it? Anyway, so that's iRacing for you. You take the rough with the smooth. That was certainly a bit more rough. For the first one was a bit more smooth. Just the way it goes, isn't it? Anyway, I am liking this car. So I think I'm going to do the whole season with it. We'll see what it's like. It'll be interesting to see what it's like with more power. If there is a car with more power. Because I think they do 2 different versions. But again, stick in the comments if you know better. But yeah, good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the first race more than the second one. I certainly did. And if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.